Hi there, I'm Brianna with WTI, and these are my no cow bars in the sampler pack.
I love the sampler pack. You get 8 different flavors. Some of them are doubles, so that's why you have 12 bars total. But these are healthy while also being delicious. So each bar is going to have 20 grams of protein, which is amazing when you think that these are vegan and dairy free. I also like that they only have 1 gram of sugar and 3 grams of carbs. Basically, whatever diet you are on, these are great. They're healthy, they taste delicious, they have a nice chewy texture, and I love the sampler pack because you have so many different flavors. It's not just chocolate. Maybe you want to have some other things. You get blueberry and lemon meringue pie in this set. And of course, peanut butter, brownie, s'mores. The flavors are delicious. So that is exciting. Every time you finish a workout, you get to reward yourself by picking out a flavor from your sampler pack of these no-cow bars. I've tried a bunch of their bars. I am happy, as always, with this amazing sampler pack.
And that's my point of view.